Hi, I'm Greg Buckley, President of Buckley's Auto Care, a 53-year-old family-owned and operated business right here in Newport, Delaware. We focus definitely on professional automotive repair, maintenance, and service. We have a couple different other reasons people want to join with us. We're very big with child safety, meaning safety seats and car seats. From the technical side, we have a full array of professional tools and equipment that allow us to test and diagnose and get your car back on the road.
I've been probably with Buckley's maybe 40 years. They do a good job. They're honest. And I know when I come, there's always somebody to help me in the car or out of the car. And they're just very good that way. They care about people, not just the cars.
We really do invite you to stop in and see what we're like here at Buckley's Auto Care. For over 53 years, we've been doing what we do best, helping clients maintain their vehicles, stay safe, drive smart.